On the surface, preparing data with spreadsheets might look easy and straightforward. But what if your data get frequently updated? This means that the entire data preparation process has to be adjusted every single time. The great disadvantage of spreadsheets is that they are not resilient to change. So if new rows or columns are added, you need to adjust the reference table array in every formula. Performing these repetitive operations is extremely time-consuming and frustrating. But what if I tell you there is a better way? That formulas can be applied to your changing datasets. Wouldn't it be a dream come true? Hi everyone, I am Sara, a technical writer in Rulex, and today I'll show you how Rulex Factory can make your life much easier. From this white canvas, you start building flows, where you can create the logical process behind your data preparation. The very first step is to import your file and then connect a task, where you define how you want to transform its data. What's the advantage of building a flow? You can make it data dependent, so even if new rows or records are added, your logic still works. This can save a lot of tweaking and adapting, making your life easier. Good news around. In this simple example, we only need to connect this task. Define which columns we want to pivot and execute the task to see our table transformed. Here we can see that columns have been pivoted into rows. And when your data changes, you simply execute the flow to get updated results in seconds. You can even set a trigger, so your flow executes automatically whenever new data are added. Sure, you could deal with a dataset this size in a simple spreadsheet. But in a real-life business scenario, this sort of automation has an enormous impact. In Rulex Factory, you can effortlessly manage millions of records, import data in different formats from diverse sources, and merge them together to extrapolate insights and reach your business goal. We have seen how Rulex solutions are resilient to change, but their flexibility is another quality our clients appreciate. Why? Because Rulex tracks all your operations for you. So if you don't get the results you expected, you can easily check what you did and roll back if you need to. Tracking is also pretty useful when you have to explain to others what you did. That's it for today. Look out for our next Rulex Quick Fix video and find more information on our website.